direct your attention towards center field as we welcome back your Waukegan
Dog!
Bulldog Marching Band, and as they enter for your halftime entertainment. This year, the Bulldog Marching Band is halftime shows including Led Zeppelin. Led Zeppelin was an English rock band formed in London in 1968, originally named the New
God dang it.
Led Zeppelin signed a deal with Atlantic Records that gave them considerable artistic freedom.
Watch it, watch. Is there still one on? Yeah. Move back.
With 8 studio albums over 10 years. The group was comprised of vocalist Robert Plant, guitarist Jimmy Page, bassist and keyboardist John Paul Jones, and drummer John Bonham. With a heavy guitar-driven sound, they are cited as one of the forefathers of hard rock and heavy metal, although their style drew from a variety of influences, including blues and folk music. Throughout the Bulldog Marching Band's performances this season, we invite our audience to join us as we celebrate one of the most legendary rock bands of all time, Led Zeppelin. Selections for tonight will include Black Dog from the album Led Zeppelin 4, Cashmere from the album Physical Graffiti, Immigrant Song
keep going.
3, and one of the greatest rock songs of all time, Stairway to Heaven from 4, which sold over 37 million copies.
Guide to them over there.
But first, please welcome to the field our middle school band students representing Smith, Abbott, Roras, Betty, and Lewis Middle Schools. Tonight, the middle school band students will perform the song hit Pepas by Faruco with the high school Bulldog Marching Band.
Good.
You got him?
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Color guard, you guys are going to back up for Pepas. Get yourself set once the stage is good. Let's go. Man,
Sorry. Berries are right here, so we'll be right here.
Come on.
Alright, color guard, grab your movement, one flag. Grab your movement, one flag. Grab your movement, one flag. Let's do it.
Come on
He's down. Up and down. What's up? Think about hoodies on.
Because then you can't hear the people around you. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. You can get much of everyone.
Alright. Yeah.
That channel was like a high school channel.
The high school. Alright, I need you guys to do this.
Symbols, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Could you guys a little bit more? Could you guys scoot down a bit more? Huh? Hey, shouldn't you guys be over there in the alto section? Guys, go down. Just go down.
Is this the center?
Yeah, this is tenors. Thank you too. You too? What am I saying? Dog! Sarai, can you take our folders? Can you take our flip folders? Right.
Let's hear it one more time for our middle school band. It's from Smith
Thank
Abbott
you,
Ward.
thank you. I'm so sorry. We're so
Middle
sorry.
school.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good job, future Bulldog.